Mhm.
So now, how have you evolved over the past 5 years being in robotics?
Uh, yeah, I would say it was quite a ride. Um, uh, well, because yeah, first job that I had was related to robotics, and but was mostly focusing on desktop software development for robotics, and it was quite a wild ride, I would say, because since I was studying on mechatronics, but on mechanical faculty. So we were always like mechanics was the main thing that we were learning, and software a bit, but a lot of this would depend on the teacher. So I had some view on software, but the first job I got was really focused on software, and even though I was focusing on software quite a bit during university on my own, I had really quite a lot of catching up to do. So starting with my first job, I was looking into good programming practices, like learning Git, basically learning C sharp almost from scratch and so on. Um, and the thing I was not so lucky with is lack of mentorship. So I never had a proper mentor. So I had to do everything on my own. Um, and this caused basically that I was often coming back home from work, and then I was studying just to make sure that I'm as as proficient in the tools I'm expected to use as possible. And yeah, it was quite a lot of hard work, but it got me where I am today, and it also showed me how good it is to have a good mentor. Well, because I didn't have one, uh, but it inspired me to be basically to always when I work with people to always try to be the mentor I didn't have, and uh, it was a rough path, but in the end it worked out quite good, and I think it also helped me uh, being more relevant to junior people that I work with.
So it must have been a real struggle because you had to take out time and build the skills on your own. So you learned all those programming languages that you're talking about, C hash and the other ones on your own, or a part of it was also taught at your university.
Uh, so yeah, I took an additional course on C sharp in the university, so it at least got me started. But then, and also I did a class on C++, Python, probably not. So Python I was learning on my own.
Okay.
But also the C++ that we learned in school was ancient, basically, like not relevant anymore.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's has been always lots of catching up to do. Well, there still is, it never ends, I think.
Yeah, you are always learning, right?